How are you, and welcome to Bluedrop 254, where in our today's tutorial we are going to look at typography in Adobe Illustrator. I have my Adobe Illustrator open here, and so click on the type tool and click here, then type the word maybe gymnastics, and then position it properly like that. Then after typing gymnastics, remove the fill, then click on the window, then go to the appearance panel, then add a new fill and also add a new stroke, then add another stroke and add another stroke. So we have 3 strokes, 1, 2, 3, and we have 1 fill. Let us bring the 2 strokes downwards below the fill. Just bring it like that. Then bring this other one. We have 2 strokes and 1 fill here, and then we have the upper stroke. Let us hide the upper one first, and then change the color of this middle stroke to maybe orange. Then we maintain black for this other one. Now select the middle stroke, then click on FX function, then go to distort and transform, then select the transform. Then here for the horizontal move we are going to make 0.1, and then vertical move we also make 0.1 millimeters. Then check on the preview button here so that you will be seeing what is happening here as I alter the copies. So if you increase the copies like this, you can see what is happening to the stroke here. Just increase it until you see it is appropriate. Maybe I can use something like that. Let me use 13, then click OK. Now for the lower stroke, select it again, and then let us make it a stroke of 2. So if I increase like that to 2, you make sure this one is selected, then you increase to 2, you can see what is happening there. Then we can transform it again by clicking on FX function, then go for distort and transform, and then transform. Then for the vertical move, I'm going to make it 1.5, and then for the vertical move I'm going to make it 2.0, and then check on the preview so that you can see. Now you can see it has moved like that. I'm not going to add any copies. Click OK. Then for the upper stroke, let us open it so that it is visible. When you toggle this one, you hide it. When you open it, this you click this eye, you show it. So for you to see, let us distinguish the stroke from the fill. I think we can make the fill to be, let us even use a white color so that the stroke is visible. So while selected, click on our stroke here and increase it to 2. So we have a stroke of 2, and then we can also change the colors. Let us make, you can play now around with the colors. The upper stroke we can make it, let's make it blue, yeah, something like that. And also the lower one we can make it blue, something like that. And boom, you've come up with a very nice typography which you can use in any service. So assume we have a different service which is not white. Let me draw a rectangle like that, and then we change the color of the rectangle maybe to let us use a contrasting color, maybe something like that. Then right click it and send it to the back. Then we can change that color still. Let us make it a color which is not that sharp. Something like that can do it. Yes, so that is how we make this particular typography. Now while you have this one, you can now change whatever you want to write. Maybe you want to write another name, and you can see it maintains what you decide. It maintains what you want to write. So thank you very much for watching Bluedrop 254. Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel Bluedrop 254 so that you are notified wherever we upload any new tutorial. Big up and stay creative.